Hi, this is the tutorial for check the capture all the package and convert it to JSON. And let's start. I'm logged in the server with the API 10.200.85.113, and I went for this location or path in directory in the server, and then that I need to do is activate the virtual environment for Python. For that we need to put source, and then we are on the source folder or directory, and then I need to put environments, put virtual environment, and then binaries, and then activate. Okay, here if I run Python, it is running the Python 3.7, but it is running the Python inside of this virtual environment. Okay, well, let's do that. We need to do that I need to do is run Python 3. Also, I'm able to do without the 3, but I will put 3 here, and then the local 5, yes, with 1/. It is not matter, but let's put 1/. And this is the part, like, it didn't show nothing because this process takes time from the CPU, well, for the server to take the package. I mean, the package is all the time, but it needs time to start to get the package. And then I will press Ctrl C to stop that. Ctrl C again. I sometimes do this Ctrl C twice or 3 times, and if you look, it didn't stop because it's the same. The server needs time to stop the capture the package, or well, not the server, the application. In fact, it is not working. Let me try to press Ctrl C very fast, like 3 times, and let's see what happened. Oh, yes, it's because I need to press Ctrl Shift C because my setup for my terminal is different. Ctrl Shift C 3 times very fast. 1, 2, 3, and that stop the capture for the package. Okay. I will repeat these steps. Okay. First, I need to do the source dot virtual environment binary activate. It take Python from the virtual environment. Then I need to run Python 3 and the name for the Python script, which is the main script which take all the application that I did, local underscore try.py, and then it will run all these package in the screen, and you need to stop that. Ctrl C 3 times very fast, or if you have other setup in your server as a Ctrl Shift C or whatever configuration, but you need to stop that. Okay, and this is the first part. And then how we capture all this information in your how you take that screen and put in some JSON. That we need to do is put Python 3 and then this symbol, and then you are able to put capture, or as I put before, like temporal capture JSON. I will do that, and I can't see anything, but I need to wait for maybe 1 minute or something like that to start to capture all this package. Okay, let's see. Okay, is 7:33. Okay, let's wait a little for that. Okay, I think so it is enough time. It should be capture some package, and I will stop the process. Control C in my case, in my personal computer, is Control Shift C, 1 2 3, and it stop. If I go to if I want to open this on the server and check if it saved the correct information, I need to use the vim instruction and then click enter, and that should be nope. Okay, looks like I before clicked something like GS. Let me remove that because this is the correct instruction. Oh yes, I clicked yes. Okay, let me delete that. Remove this file for temporal.js because we don't need that, and I will open this temporal JSON file, and if I open I'm able to see all this information here. Okay, and well, we have this file, and then I will show you how to move this file to your personal computer. Okay, just give me a moment here. Okay, that we need to do is download first this. That we need to do is the next. Okay, this is the server for the API with the start with 10. We need to go. This is other tab. This is other tab here. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, this is the okay, this server. Who am I? Okay, this server is the guest. I mean, basically I'm on this server. Okay, and on this server I need to run this command, which basically say like copy this this capture file. In fact, I need to change for that for temporal capture. I need to change that. I need to copy that to this var delete me. If I do that, like if I show what it contains, this server is var delete, and we don't have any file. If I say yes here and then put the password that you provide me, there we go. It's not downloaded. Let me see what is the error. JSON. Okay, maybe I commit something. Temporal capture JSON. Okay, let me copy that and paste here. Temporal. Oh, I put capture it, but it's capture. Okay, let me do that again. Okay, again I'm in here on the server with this IP 124. Who I am. This is the guest, which is this guest user. Okay, I will run that, and then it is downloading the file from this server, the server with the API 10 to the server for the API 124. Here it says like it is correct. The size was 7,300 kilobytes. If I check what is inside of this file, it is correct. We have this information. Then the next step is you need to go to your computer. I mean, this tab is for the server for 124. Okay, you need to go to your computer. In my case, this is my computer, my local computer, and I need to run this. Let me change that. Temporal capture. Okay, Then I need to download from this server to my local computer, and it requires the password. Let's do it. It's downloading. This server usually is more slow. I don't know if it happens because the connection for this server is slow, or this is slow, but it is loading, downloading. Ready. And if I show, oh, I commit this mistake. I need to put your my I need to put my address that I created. Copy the password. Just downloading again. %. Okay, if I list the files, I have the file here, and if I open, let's see if, oh, it's 2 megabytes. Oh, well, it's not crashing. This is good. I have some little problem. No, it's good. Yes, should be good here. Okay, if I copy all of these and I go to the web page that I suggest here, you need to open here. Where are the instructions? Try local, then check blah server. Where is it? It should be here. It's something like view. Oh, well, I have opened it. Here, I will delete all of these and refresh. Load roast review, beautiful. Well, it is not loading, but there are 32. If I paste the new one and I put like beautiful, that should be load something. Okay. Oh yes, we have a little problems here because when we click Ctrl C, the problem is it stop and it cut the JSON. It should not happen when I finish all the program, but this is only for your review, and I didn't spend a lot of time trying to check how to fix that. But if when we finish the application, that should be create. It should be close the JSON. Okay, let me try to delete that. Okay, it's slow. Okay, I don't see if how I'm able to delete this. Looks like it's here. Oh yes, it was good. I only need to close and delete the comma, maybe. Let me try that. Valid JSON, but I don't see anything. Preview. Error, invalid string number. Okay. Okay, what is the problem here? Okay, I need to search for this number. that should be something like some number. $305. That should be this. Okay. That I'm doing right now is looking the last package, and the package it finished on 351. That makes sense because every line is a new package. Here I only need to delete this and close that, and that should be works. Let's see. Okay, let's try that. I will take only 10. It should be more easy. 11, 10, and then 11 here. This is the 11, and then that should be work. Let's try that. Beautiful. Yes, because it didn't need that. Beautiful, and there we go. Yes, maybe the problem for the last is like there's a lot of information, and it have problems trying to check all of this. In fact, let me try again. Okay, that's we only need to do. Okay, let's review that. Okay, let's start from empty. Here we have the temporal capture. I didn't modify this file. I mean, this file is the original. I open in my editor. Okay, it is loading. Okay, I'm going to then I only need to delete the last comma. I copy all of this. I replace this information here. It is 340. It's correct. Let's try to go to the beautiful. It's a valid JSON. Yes, looks like there's a lot of information here. Okay, let me copy that. Let's try maybe 100 here. $88, 100. Okay, let's try 106, 5. Okay, I delete that, and I delete all of this. Beautiful. Yes, there we go. It's the same tree, and it show. In fact, it say like there's more than 100, and there are 104. And this is the way you are able to check. And basically, I will store this information in your server, and basically that I need to do is send all of this JSON, and then saying the JSON number 1, 2, and 3. And the magic here is well, talking about the multiprocess that we need to do. Let me go back here. Okay, every time it captures one package, it wait until the other. I mean, not wait, like it does some process and then take the other package. That I want to do in the multiprocess is like it take one package and run all the process in some run all of this process in some multiprocess, and then it strip the package, clean the information, and then send to your server. And in other process take the other package, and that should be much better, because if you have a lot of information, it is able to process any package in different threads, and don't wait and have a big queue for other packages. Like you don't have a lot of stack as a pile or a stack, you don't have a lot of package pending, it processing on the fly. But well, this is that I have. And for example, here the package has the frame. Basically all of this has at least the frame and the ETN, and this is the protocol. Here we have this frame, the Ethernet, which is the destination value, the address. For example, here we have the API. Where is the API? Oh yes, this is because this is the network. This is the network hardware. But here we have the destination, the source. For example, the source is your server, and the destination for that was the 224, and it was this VRRP protocol. I don't know what, no protocol, like this information. I don't know what information is there. This is other for TCP, VRRP, TCP. Yes, there's a lot of information here. Okay, let's try that open here. I'm trying to look in if there are other different protocols, but looks like for this capture basically all of these were TCP and this and VRRP. For example, this is on ARP protocol. Like it takes the frame, then this is my network address and the server address. Well, not your server address, and the address for the source. And here we have some information. What was the MAC address, the size of the protocol, the hardware size. I don't know because I don't know this about this protocol. But you have, this is the API, which is your server, and maybe here this is source, destination. Yes. For example, this example say like the source was your server, and also was one server behind. Like this is 114 and the other is 113. You have a lot of information here. You're able to play with that, but if you have any doubt, please let me know and I'm able to check. Only as a quick review, again, very quick review, I don't speak a lot of, is like, okay, we are here. Well, when you finish, you need to deactivate that, and that come back the Python to it take the server Python, not the virtual environment. Okay, quick review. Here is first activate the virtual environment in your in the server here, in the server which the IP which start with 10. Then we need to run the script that I provide, and we use this symbol, and then you put the output file, temporal capture.json in this case. Okay, you click enter, and then all of this information is coming. You need to wait 1 minute or whatever, 30 seconds or something like that, and then you need to press Control C 3 times or Control Shift C 3 times, and it stop all the process. Okay, then if you do that, you will see here the temporal capture file. Second step is, or second phase is, how I download this file to my computer. Well, you need to go to the server. You need to go to this server. Let me check this. Where is the temporal? There we go. Here. Okay. Yes, we need to go to or do the SSH or login in this server 122, which the user is the guest, and then you need to take this. Okay, that you need is download or copy from the server 10 to your server here. That means is copy this instruction and paste here. Okay, in this case I will say no because we did that before. and then that you need to go is to your local machine and run this, which is copy the file from this server and this and this directory and file, and copy in my computer here, and then you put that, and that should be all of this. Then the last or the third step, or the last step, is open that in your editor, which is this. Yes, is that. Delete the last comma. Check if there's a lot of numbers. You need to delete. For example, if you want to be like 300 something 49, you need to delete also the comma here. It always keep only one comma, like that. Okay, it's very slow my computer right now, but just like that. If I do that here, yes, like this, and then you copy all of this information and paste on the code viewer. You delete and paste, and then you click on beautiful. When you see all this information, you are able to click on, well, when you click on beautiful, let me do it again, beautiful, it show like all the raw data, and if you want to see as I see before, you are able to click on preview viewer, and it show more clear information about that. And that's all. Any doubt, please let me know.